Hello and welcome to this video on how to duplicate an experiment in Gorilla. So the aim of this video is for you to be able to create a copy of an experiment and any other sort of questionnaires or tasks, that kind of thing, that you might want to edit or change for a particular audience, like a different participation pool. Log into Gorilla and find your project. Check your experiment flow to see that it has all of its components and check whether your experiment has been committed. If not, commit it. Jump back to your project. Click Create New under Experiment, click Clone Existing and select your current experiment in your project. Change the experiment name to include something sensible like the RPS so it's easily recognizable. Click Create. Jump back into your project, click Create New under Tasks and Questionnaires. Clone the questionnaire that contains your demographic questions. Click on your questionnaire page, click on Edit, add a new object, choose Number Entry, click on New Object, change object name to SONA ID, change question text to Please enter your unique SONA ID, change questionnaire name to include something sensible like RPS so it's easily identifiable, commit the questionnaire. By default, Gorilla makes all questions required. If you want to change this, you can do so in the additional settings column on the object, but you will need to edit your questionnaire again. Go back to your project and click on the RPS experiment. Hello. Click Edit. Remove the original demographics questionnaire. Replace it with the demographics RPS questionnaire. Commit your experiment. Click on the Recruitment tab. Change your recruitment policy to Simple Link. Change your recruitment target to the number of participants you wish to recruit, for example 10. Select the token source, for example your institution's subscription. Finally, copy the URL for this study. And we're done. So I hope you found that video useful. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them below in the comments section and like and subscribe to help the channel. See you in the next video.